Well, harvesting the data from all the machines is the first step to any Industry 4.0 or IIoT big project. But it's really a tough part of those projects. Almost all machine brands and sometimes even the models have their own way of communicating the language. With the many IIoT and Industry 4.0 initiatives that we find at our customer sites daily, it became clear to us that not only our software could benefit from using the data available on the machines, but our customers are now on a race to create the best and most integrated automated manufacturing process that they can. That's where Co-NECT plays a key role in the equation. With many players involved, a different set of requirements have come in. Automated machine controls, feedback loops, machine learning and AI, software packages are all now interested in gaining the access to the machine data and control features. Co-NECT was designed from the ground up to capitalize on our existing machine adapters and then extend them to create a multi-standard communication platform where each standard is limited in scope. Often Co-NECT offers more features. With Co-NECT, we allow any technology for machine communication. We do not require any specific protocol from the machine, and the output protocol can be easily selected, whether it is CFX or JSON to MQTT, JSON to files, or CAMX and more. Multiple protocols can be enabled at the same time when it's required. Co-NECT is a clear and straightforward solution for machine and factory connectivity. It's a single interface ensuring accurate communication with any manufacturing equipment and other factory systems. It's the base layer that's required in order to implement all the software tracking and controls for IIoT in electronics manufacturing. One of our recent projects involved a globally recognized CM. Their request was simple. They wanted to have all the data that was available from their machines. We worked with our equipment partners to locate what exactly was the data that was available and where we should get it. And within a few weeks, they had a single, simple source for their machine data. They had the ability to control the line to make sure that no data was missing, and they had integrated also the data from their own software modules. And they could then immediately load all of this to their big data solution for analysis and processing. What do your machines have to say? Are you listening to them?